Welcome to Asire Engineering. In today's video, we are going to see how to do Fortran programming on Android mobiles. So first we will open up any browser, then search for online GDB Fortran. Okay, and click on first website, that is www.onlinegdb. And now we have interface for Fortran, and now you can see there is already a program which is known as Hello World program written on the screen. Let us try to run this program. To run this program, we will click on the run button, and now we got output as Hello World. Let us try to write down a program. Let me delete this first. Program and name of program as demo. Okay, and now I will click enter. So now you can see here, as soon as I click enter, the O of demo has been deleted, right? So to fix this, what we will do, I will click again here, I will write down here O, and now see my cursor is immediate after this O. So what we will do, we will give a space and then click enter. Okay, so every time remember that at the end of the statement you have to first give space and then enter. So now we will display, for displaying we will write down a write statement. Okay, so in single quote we will write down program to calculate addition of two numbers. Okay, now again our cursor is immediate after the single quote, we will give a space and then enter. Now we are on new line, we will write down here write, then and let us ask user to enter value of a and b. So we will write down here in single quote enter value of a and b, right? Then give space and then enter. Now user will enter, let me correct this as write. Okay, now user will enter values of a and b, so we will read it to store it. Okay, so we will read it as a comma b. Again remember to give space and then enter. Now we will do some processing. So c is equals to a plus b. Okay, space and then enter, and then we will write the output, that is c. Okay, so here we will write down in single quote first sum is equals to, and then after give a comma to separate this and write down c here, again space and enter. Then we will write down here stop, space, enter, and end, space. So now we have finished with our program. Let's try to run this program. So for this click on run. It is compiling now, right? It is asking us to enter value of a and b. So let us enter value of a as 10, enter, value of b as 20, enter, and now we got sum is equals to 30. Okay, now we will see some feature of this. We have already seen how to do the programming and how to enter the values. So to hide this bar, we can click on this. Okay, we can also have the bar written, just click on this again, we will get it. You can also log in. So to log in, click on login. It will ask you to leave this, click on leave. Okay, it will ask you for a Google account, click on this G. Now you can see we are logged in, and here there is a message welcome to Rameshwar Ingadkar, right? Now in this case, when we logged in, the current interface is for C programming. To change interface for Fortran programming, what we will do, we will just drag this, okay, and here there is language. Click on this and select for Fortran and click on Fortran, and now this interface is available to do programming for Fortran. You can also save files by clicking on this save, and similarly you can also create a new file by clicking on this new. Just enter, say for example, demo and click on OK. So now you can see we have created new file also. Here there is new feature of classroom. So if I click on this classroom, okay, I can create a classroom. So click on this button add, and let us create, for example, say Fortran section A and click on OK. Fine. So Fortran section A classroom is now created. Click on this Fortran section A. Here we can invite the students. For inviting the student, just click on invite student and copy this link and send to the student. Student will click on this link and they will get added into the classroom. A teacher can also add assignment here. To add assignment, click on this add button and fill this data, and after that publish it. So this assignment will be available to the students, and student will solve this assignment, and when they will submit, it will be available to the teacher. Thank you. In case of any query, please comment in the comment box. You can also mail me on the email address provided. Thank you.